In this video, we're going to create an isometric pictorial of the object shown. This object is fairly complex, so we're going to take it step by step, and this video will be broken up into several parts. Alright, the first thing I want to do is determine which way I want to view this object. I think if we come in and view it this way, that would show the most. So that's what we're going to do. So we want to draw a defining box that's 2 1/4 plus 1, so that's 3 1/4. Then this direction would be 2 because that's a radius of 1, and then 150. Alright, so we will do 1, 2, 3 1/4. We're making each one of these 1/4 inch. And then over, we want it to be 2. So 1, 2, and up we want it to be 1 1/2. So 1 1/2, and we'll just fill all that in. And there we have our defining box. So our radius will be over on this end, and then we'll be able to see all those cutouts over here. So let's start with the radii. So we want to draw a defining box that's 2 by 2. So that's 1, 2 right there. Alright, so we have 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. We're going to need 2 more, so we need to draw a radius on the top, on the bottom, and then we need to draw one here and here. So let's start by just drawing the ellipses for the top and the bottom, and then we'll get the other ones. Now when you're drawing the ellipses, do the best you can. You might need to go back and adjust as needed. Alright, so there's the top and the bottom. Now let's put in the other 2 levels. They're 1/2 inch down. So I drew my box there and draw my other ellipse. And that one's a 1/2 inch down from the one we just drew. Now there's a lot of circles, so it might be a little confusing. You might want to get in there and erase what you need to erase. But you can see there's four circles. Alright, so let's darken in a little bit so that it's less confusing. So we're going to have a radius on this end. Right here, it'll attach up with this one right there. These will attach up. There. So you can see the 2 different levels. Alright, so the next video we'll start constructing the cutouts over on the right side here.